You don't need a big budget to have a beautiful home. Many people think that creating a stylish and comfortable living space requires a lot of money, but that's simply not true. With a bit of creativity and some smart choices, you can transform your home into a luxurious haven without breaking the bank. You can create a luxurious feel without spending a lot of money. It's all about finding the right pieces that fit your style and budget. There are so many affordable options available today that mimic the look of high-end decor. From thrift stores to online marketplaces, you can find beautiful items that won't cost a fortune. It's all about making smart choices and being creative. Think outside the box and don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and textures. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations can create the most stunning results. Use your imagination and let your personality shine through in your decor. Let me show you how. We'll explore various tips and tricks that can help you achieve a high-end look on a budget. From DIY projects to clever shopping strategies, there are countless ways to make your home look and feel luxurious without spending a lot of money. We all want our homes to look beautiful. It's a universal desire to have a space that we can be proud of and that reflects our personal style. A well-decorated home can provide a sense of comfort and joy, making it a place where we love to spend time. We see pictures in magazines and think, I could never afford that. But the truth is, many of those looks can be achieved with a bit of ingenuity and resourcefulness. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to have a home that looks like it belongs in a magazine, but you can have a luxurious home without spending a fortune. It's all about finding the right balance between style and affordability. Look for pieces that have a high-end look but come with a budget-friendly price tag. You'd be surprised at how many great deals are out there if you know where to look. It's about choosing things you love and using them in clever ways. Personalize your space with items that have meaning to you, and don't be afraid to get creative with how you use them. Sometimes a simple rearrangement of furniture or a new coat of paint can make a world of difference. You'll be surprised how easy it is to transform your space. With a little effort and some thoughtful planning, you can achieve a dramatic makeover that will leave you and your guests in awe. Whether it's a small change or a complete overhaul, every little bit helps in creating the home of your dreams. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly home decor and discover how you can create a beautiful, luxurious space without spending a lot of money. With the right mindset and a bit of creativity, your dream home is within reach. So grab your tools, gather your ideas, and let's make your home a place you'll love to live in. Minimalism isn't about having an empty house. It's a lifestyle choice that emphasizes simplicity and intentionality. It's about choosing quality over quantity. This means selecting items that are not only beautiful, but also functional and durable. Instead of buying lots of little things, invest in a few beautiful pieces that you truly love. These pieces should bring you joy and serve a purpose in your daily life. When you have fewer things, your space feels calmer and more relaxing. The absence of clutter allows your mind to rest and your body to unwind. It also makes it easier to clean and organize. With fewer items to manage, you can spend less time tidying up and more time enjoying your home. A clean and organized home always feels more luxurious. The simplicity of minimalism can elevate the aesthetic of your space, making it feel more sophisticated and elegant. Think about each item you bring into your home. Do you love it? Is it useful? These questions can help you make more mindful decisions about what you choose to keep and what you decide to let go. If not, let it go. Decluttering can be a liberating experience, freeing up physical and mental space. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel with less clutter. A minimalist lifestyle can lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Minimalism extends beyond just physical possessions. It can also apply to your mental and emotional well-being. By simplifying your surroundings, you can create a more serene and focused mind. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you. Minimalism encourages you to prioritize your values and focus on what brings you genuine happiness. In a minimalist workspace, you can be more productive and creative. The lack of distractions allows you to concentrate better and think more clearly. Even in the kitchen, minimalism can make a difference. With fewer gadgets and utensils, you can enjoy the process of cooking and savor the simplicity of a well-prepared meal. A minimalist wardrobe can also simplify your life. By choosing versatile and timeless pieces, you can create a stylish and functional wardrobe that suits your lifestyle. Incorporating minimalism into your daily routines can enhance your overall well-being. Whether it's through mindful practices like yoga or spending time in nature, minimalism can help you find balance and peace. Embrace the beauty of minimalism and discover the joy of living with less. By focusing on what truly matters, you can create a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Ultimately, minimalism is about creating a space that reflects your values and supports your well-being. It's about finding contentment in simplicity and appreciating the beauty of a life well lived. So, take a step towards minimalism today. Start small and gradually transform your space into a haven of simplicity and tranquility. You'll be surprised at how much joy and peace it can bring into your life. Light can completely change the mood of a room. Natural light is best. Open your curtains and let the sun shine in. For evenings, choose warm, soft light bulbs. You can find affordable fixtures that look elegant and expensive. Table lamps, floor lamps, and even candles create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of lighting to see what works best for your space. Neutral colors create a sense of calm and sophistication. Think white, cream, beige, gray, and even black. Don't worry, neutral doesn't have to be boring. You can add pops of color with pillows, throws, and artwork. Neutral walls make your space look bigger and brighter. They also make it easier to change your decor without having to repaint every time. Section 5. Texture, adding depth to your design. Texture adds interest and depth to your design. Use different fabrics, materials, and finishes to create a layered and luxurious look. Think soft velvet pillows, a chunky knit blanket, a sleek leather chair, or a rustic wooden coffee table. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures. It will add visual interest and make your space feel more inviting. Section 6. Furniture, refresh, don't replace. You don't need to buy all new furniture to create a luxurious look. Give your old pieces a makeover. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for an old dresser or chair. You can also reupholster furniture with new fabric for a completely different look. Get creative and think outside the box. You'll save money and give your old furniture a new lease on life. Section 7. Space planning, the art of placement. In this section, we will delve into the nuances of arranging furniture to maximize both functionality and aesthetics in your living spaces. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious house, the principles of space planning remain the same. It's all about creating a harmonious balance that makes your room feel inviting and comfortable. The way you arrange your furniture can make a big difference in how spacious your room feels. Proper placement can transform a cramped space into an open, airy environment. It's not just about where you put your sofa or coffee table. It's about how each piece interacts with the others and the overall flow of the room. Think of your room as a blank canvas, and your furniture as the brushstrokes that bring it to life. Don't push all your furniture against the walls. While it might seem like this would create more space, it often has the opposite effect, making the room feel boxed in and less inviting. Instead, consider floating your furniture. This means placing pieces away from the walls to create a more intimate and functional seating area. Floating furniture can also help define different zones within an open-plan space, making it feel more organized and purposeful. Float furniture away from the walls to create the illusion of more space. This technique can make a room feel larger and more open, as it encourages movement and flow. By placing furniture in the center of the room, you can create a cozy conversation area that feels both spacious and inviting. This arrangement also allows for better traffic flow, making it easier to navigate the room without feeling cramped. Create a focal point in each room. A focal point is a central feature that draws the eye and anchors the space. It gives the room a sense of purpose and direction, making it feel more cohesive and well-designed. Without a focal point, a room can feel scattered and disjointed, lacking a clear sense of identity. This could be a fireplace, a piece of art, or even a window with a beautiful view. The focal point should be something that stands out and captures attention, serving as the centerpiece of the room's design. It could be a stunning piece of artwork, a striking piece of furniture, or a breathtaking view from a window. Whatever you choose, make sure it reflects your personal style and enhances the overall aesthetic of the room. Arrange your furniture around the focal point to create a natural flow in the room. This helps to guide the eye and create a sense of order and harmony. By orienting your furniture towards the focal point, you can create a more engaging and dynamic space. This arrangement encourages conversation and interaction, making the room feel more inviting and comfortable. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing, where every piece of furniture has a purpose and contributes to the overall design. Section 8. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Mirrors reflect light and make a space feel bigger and brighter. Hang a large mirror on a wall opposite a window to reflect even more light. You can find beautiful and affordable mirrors at flea markets, thrift stores, and even online. Don't be afraid to go big. A large mirror can make a dramatic statement in any room. Section 9. Small details, big impact. Small details can make a big difference in how luxurious your home feels. Update your hardware. Replace old cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with new ones. Add some greenery. Plants add life and color to any space. They also improve air quality. Choose luxurious-looking storage solutions. Section 10. Art for everyone. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive artwork. There are plenty of affordable ways to decorate your walls. Frame family photos, children's artwork, or even beautiful pages torn from magazines. Create a gallery wall with a collection of framed pieces. Get creative and think outside the box. You can find unique and affordable art at flea markets, thrift stores, and online. Section 11. Your dream home on your budget. Creating a luxurious home doesn't have to break the bank. It's about making smart choices, being creative, and surrounding yourself with things you love. Remember, luxury is not about money. It's about creating a space that makes you feel happy, relaxed, and proud. So go ahead, get creative, and transform your house into the luxurious home of your dreams.